Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92. Today my video is about Ford Territory, how to check the tire pressure of your vehicle seated on the steering wheel. No need to insert any gauge or anything. You can check from your dashboard of the Territory. So it's very easy. Today I'm telling you how to check the tire pressure of your vehicle. So this is our speed meter. We can check here everything for speed and fuel, but this screen is given to you that you can check from here. This source, vehicle settings, device management, Android Auto, and this for the air condition. So our video is about to check the tire pressure of our vehicle. So we have to go to vehicle settings. Just go to the vehicle settings. Last time I teach you about the vehicle safety, but this is for our vehicle tire pressure. So we will go to vehicle information. Just click on the vehicle information. You can see here you can see what is the tire pressure of your vehicle. On the left front is 36 psi, on the right front is 36 psi, and the left back is 35 psi, and the right back is 35 psi. So the standard you keep your pressure 35 psi. I put 35 psi in all, but on the front coming 36, but it's okay, fine. And also it will show you the mileage. My vehicle run up to 23,454 kilometer up to now. Remaining fuel, just I full my tank, so 97% is remaining. Just I drive now up to 60 kilometer after full filling of tank, and distance to empty is 598 kilometer. This show us when our fuel tank will be empty. Up to 598 kilometer our fuel tank will be empty. We need to refill again. Average fuel consumption is 9.11 per 100 kilometer up to now. This depends upon the speed, how much speed you are driving, and how much you are going up on the rocks or you are on the straight road. It depends on your speed and the road side. So that's all about the information of tire pressure for Territory. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92. Like, share and subscribe for more information. Thank you very much.